Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to view mobile site and Wix. So let's get started. Right now, I'm on the Wix website editor. And as you can see, there are actually two modes right here. You can edit your site for desktop and you can also edit it for mobile. So you can actually just click on this right here, and then this will open your Wix website and will show you how it looks like on mobile. So as you can see, it has been loaded and you will be able to see how it looks like on your mobile. As you can see, this doesn't really look good, so you need to edit that out and you need to edit it according to the mobile. So for example, you want to see what it looks like, not on the editor, but on the mobile itself. You can actually head over and publish your site, and then over here you should be able to see the view mobile site. So let's click on view mobile site right there. And then in here, just scan this QR code with your device, which is gonna be a phone or mobile, and you should be able to see your mobile site on your specific mobile. So just point your camera in there and you should be ready to go. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to view mobile site and Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!